We've seen in earlier videos that Russian has 3 essential spelling rules involving 8 letters, and that one way to remember them is to remember the story of Jacques the Cajun chef. Garlicky, crispy, hot shrimp with fresh chips was chosen by Jacques for the Tsar. In this video, we'll look at the 8-letter rule. After these 8 letters, we will never write you or ya. Instead, we'll write u and a, respectively. This rule is important for a lot of common verb endings, specifically the ya and ani forms of second conjugation or e conjugation verbs, like учиться and слышать. You may already know the forms of a verb like говорить. The ya form ends in u, and the ani form has the ending ят. And that's fine for a word like говорить. But what if the stem does end in one of these 8 letters, like слышать? How do we spell those endings? If the stem ends in any of these letters, then we don't spell the ending with you or ya. Instead, we'll use u and a. Я слышу, они слышат. And in the same way for учиться. Я учусь, они учатся. Summing up. Be sure you know the 8 letters of the 3 spelling rules, and a silly mnemonic device like the story of Jacques the Cajun chef might help. The 8-letter rule involves all of these letters, sensibly enough. After these 8 letters, write a and u instead of ya and you. This rule will help with the spelling of the ya and ani forms of second conjugation or e conjugation verbs. So, я говорю, они говорят, but я учусь, они учатся, я слышу, они слышат.